If you're looking for a basting stitch that's built into the Pfaff Creative icon, you'll find it at stitch number 5. Now when I touch it, you're going to hear one extra click. That click is actually the feed dogs being lowered because this is considered a basting stitch that is done as a single stitch. So you actually get to determine how long the basting stitch is to be. By it taking the stitch and then stopping, you're going to see that the foot is going to pop up and we're going to be able to move to where we want the next stitch to be. So this allows us to kind of jump forward or jump to the side or any direction we need to kind of baste for those stitches to hold. So it actually goes really fast. And there's something else I want to show you, that when you are in this particular stitch, you're going to notice that the tension has actually been reduced. It's been reduced to 3.6. So once I actually sew this, I'll show you why that's looser and then how easy it is to take out. So as you start, just step on the foot control. And then you notice that it stops for you. The first little bit is just to help hold those stitches, those extra stitches. But the foot is up, so you can just slide forward. 2 stitches now. Needle stops up. Move it forward. 2 stitches. And here, let's just do a couple right here at the end. So this would be something that you could even do when you are, say, basting even pieces that have batting in between. So you can get nice long stitches. So I mentioned that that tension was a lot looser. So it's looser on the top. So that means that if you turn it over, you actually can see where the little dots are. So that means that if you actually pull, and I'm going to pull from this side because that's where those first couple stitches are, it's actually much looser. It's like a shower curtain. You just pull it all the way out. And yes, I need to trim because that was kind of locked, well, yeah, locked in there a little bit. But as you can see, because it's been pulled to the back, you can just remove those basting stitches so easily.